back. Let's get chatting with the management of TD Power Systems. Delivered a decent set in the second quarter. The revenues, while they declined by about 6%, the generator manufacturers saw a healthy improvement in their margins actually, and that percolated all the way to the profit. So to discuss the quarter gone by, but more importantly, the outlook for the business going ahead, we do have with us Nikhil Kumar, who's the managing director of the company. The stock doing well this morning. Nikhil, thank you so much for joining in. You know, the first couple of things we need to know about the remainder of this year. The first half of this year, you've got orders worth just about 400 odd crores. You said that this year you would look at around 750 crores in terms of order inflows. Do you maintain that? And secondly, the street is worried a little on margins. The first half you've done around 12.5%, 13%. The second half you said in the conference call will be better. But here you had guided to us that you'd do about 15 to 16 odd percent. Would you hold on to that? Would you be able to do that?
Yeah, so first of all, the margins, the EBITDA margins, if you look at it with the other income, so other income also includes foreign exchange gains, which is an operational income. We did 15.89% in the first half of the year. So I'm pretty sure that we will keep that margin in the second half of the year, probably exceed that by a small amount. So we will probably cross 16% in the second half of the year. Overall, for the year, EBITDA margins, including foreign exchange gains, will be 16%, up 16% plus minus.
Right. Hi, Mr. Kumar. Good morning. Thanks so much for speaking to us. So you're saying that margins, as per your calculations, will improve by around 100 basis points, because we don't include other income. But net margins will improve by 100 basis points in the second half of the year. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
If you take out, but foreign exchange gains should be taken as a part of operational income, because we take a hedge on the euro and other currencies, and we have to classify that as other income.
Okay.
Although that's actually operational income.
Okay. And the order inflow query of 750 crores is what you're guiding for? You stick to that?
Yeah, we are actually above the halfway mark in the first half. And Q3 also is extremely strong. We are seeing extremely strong order inflow this quarter. So I'm very confident that we will cross 750 crores for this year in order inflow.
And what about...
Which actually sets up the year for next year, because a lot of the orders that we're booking right now go into next year. So that sets up a good growth for next year.
Right.
Sorry, I interrupted you.
No, go ahead. Because we wanted to understand, because you have been winning orders, etc., and all of that sets you up for next year. What do you end this year with in terms of capacity utilization? Because at optimal utilization, you had earlier indicated that you could do revenues of over 1,200 odd crores. Does that happen next year, or will that happen the year after?
It will happen the year after. So this year will be, as guided, we'll be doing between 810 to 820 crores. That still stays. We are reconfirming this top line. And next year, we are saying we will do approximately minimum 20% growth. Okay. So that would take us close to 1,000 or past 1,000 crores. We have a capacity of 1,200 crores right now, but we're always trying to push that. So we may, we're investing and we're looking at ways to push it to 1,300, 1,400. So we are really looking at every possible way how to flog the assets before putting up a new plant. We have land, we can put up a new plant if we have to. We start probably planning something like that around next year, around this time, we start planning that.
All right. Mr. Kumar, 1,200 crores is the capacity. In FY24, you said you'll do around 1,000 crores, roughly. But you said to go from, that 1,200 crore capacity to around 1,300, 1,350 crores, you'll be putting in some capex. Quantify it. How much do you need to invest to get this additional 150 crores?
So it's mainly going to be in automation. So we're not going to be adding bulk capacity. We're thinking all of it is going to be debottlenecking the factory, automating certain parts of the factory, improving productivity. So it's not going to be a single investment. For the past 3 years, we've been investing around 20, 25 crores per year in such kind of things. We're going to continue to invest that kind of money. So over a 5-year period, it's going to be something like 100 crores or 125 crores. And we're doing this at, as I said, 20, 25 crores per year, which is equal to our depreciation.
Right. And, the three big verticals you said could be the drivers for the next couple of years. The first one was railways. You have about orders of 900 crores on hand. Just wanted to understand Going forward, how much can that be as a part of your business? The second one was services, which you believe would be a good revenue driver going forward as well. And the third one was distillery. On each of these, can you give us a sense how big these can be over the next couple of years?
So railways is going to be a big part of our business. Of course, it's subject to us also winning some of the new tenders that are out in the market. So our customer, the guy who builds the locomotive, he has to win the order. So there's a 9,000 horsepower project which is out, and there's a 12,000 horsepower project which is out in the market. The first bid should be open sometime this year, and the second bid should be open sometime early next year. So about the next 6 months, we will come to know who's won, and if our partner customer wins, then we also most probably will be able to get the business for the traction motors. So each of these projects is equal to what we're doing right now. So potentially there's a scope for us to triple it. We hope that they will win at least one, so at least we're going to double it. In addition to that, there's the Indian Railways business, which is the direct business. That's about 1,000 crore business per year. We hope to get around 10% of that. So I'm not quantifying the numbers because I just want to wait until the tenders are open and we see who wins, and then we also need to negotiate and win from our side. But the potential is 500 crores per year for us, potentially, if we win every single thing. Of course, it's not going to be the case if we win everything, but it's quite exciting right now.
Okay, all right, Mr. Kumar, thanks so much for stopping by. Wishing you all the best. Things appear to be on the upward trajectory, but we look forward to chatting up with you in the next quarter and get further details. For the time being, well, the stock is